just made a discovery. It looks like they got a coolant leak in there. Yep. So I think both hoses are bad. Yeah, I need to replace them. Yep. I was planning on a road trip to St. Louis for this truck, using this truck, and luckily this turned out. I'm loosening the hose right now. You could tell actually that there's leaking because there's like a corrosion on the sides. So I don't know, there are cases where it doesn't leak, and there are also cases where it leaks. I think it's probably the difference in the temperature. Like if it's cold, yeah, it tends to leak, but if it's warmer, there's no leak at all. It's not even a Honda fluid actually. This is a green one. Yeah, I'll just let it all go out. Remove the intake. I mean the air intake. It's just like I only have one plastic tab in here. This one's gone. The other one's got the hose over here. And I think it's easier to access the lower radiator hose if I take out the fan though, instead of accessing it down there. The upper hose removed, and I set it aside there. The fan by disconnecting this, and once I have that out, it's easy for me to access the lower radiator hose from here. Yep. And loosen the clamp in here, and wait for the gush coolant. Yep, got the hoses from Napa. They're like $20 for the I think it's $20 for the upper and $27 for the lower. And I was surprised that they are made in USA. Yeah, most of the parts that I see were pretty much made in China. But yep, the lower hose clamp down there. Time for the upper one. The upper hose is done. It's tight. This one too. So I'm gonna return this hose bracket. This just keeps them in place together. Okay. Now time to fill it up with our blue coolant. Well, still need to put the fan back in. Now I'm putting in the coolant, getting rid of the air, bleeding the air, the coolant. No leaks on the system.